Hi everyone! Join me today for an energizing morning flow to get the body moving and start the day feeling good and vibrant. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Stand up straight, unlock your knees, tuck your tailbone in to relax your lower back and your hips. Relax your neck and shoulders. Keep your back fairly straight and your spine long. We're going to begin with a full body massage. Go ahead and gently rub your palms together until you feel nice and warm. Then massage your face, relaxing the muscles of the forehead, between your eyebrows, relaxing your mouth and your jaw. Rub your hands one more time. Then gently knock on the head. Make sure you cover the entire area, the top of the head, behind the ears, the back of the head. Keep your hands nice and warm, then massage your ears. I like to do this massage every morning. Helps to awaken the senses, get the blood moving to the brain, always makes me feel good. From here, go ahead and tap on the back of the shoulder. This helps to release tension, unblock stagnant energy overnight. Change hands and repeat. Finish by tapping at the very bottom of your neck. Change hands and repeat. From here, lightly with your fingertips, knock on the chest, going up and down the center line. Then make your hands into a loose fist and knock on your ribs. This gentle tapping helps to stimulate the internal organs, providing a gentle massage. This is good for the liver and pancreas. Then go ahead and knock on your abdomen. Then move to the lower back. Going up and down, tap on your tailbone. This helps to awaken the energy and give you that natural boost that we all need in the morning. Shake your hands. Then go ahead and knock around the hip joints. Cover the top of the glutes, the sides of the legs. Then step forward, tap the sides of the legs all the way down to your ankle. Spend a few seconds around the knee joint. This is very good for circulation down to the feet. And repeat the same on the other side. Very good. Gently bounce into your heels to relax and loosen up. Then take a nice deep breath in. Exhale down the center. Moving on with a hip rotation. Keep the movement slow and steady, paying attention to the muscles and tendons around your hip joints. This helps to open the meridians that cross over the legs. This is good for circulation in the pelvis area, helps to nourish the digestive system, and is very good for arthritis. Change the direction. Very good. Relax for a moment. From here, go ahead and rotate your shoulders. Give a good range of motion, feeling your chest, your sternum, and your rib cage open. Then change the direction. Very good. From here, get stable on one leg. Lift your leg up to open the hip. Repeat 6 times. One more time. Relax here. Then do the same on the other side. Get comfortable and grounded through your other leg and gently open your hip. Feel free to hold on to something if you're just getting started with Qigong or recovering from an injury. Bring your feet down. Relax your entire body. We go back to the shoulder rotation. Move your hand forward and up, gently turning your torso to the back. Repeat 6 times. Keep the movement slow and deliberate, paying attention to the muscles and tendons on your shoulders. One more time. Then do the same with your other hand. Our hips and shoulders are important parts in the energy circulation. They serve as energy junctions, connecting the extremis to the torso, so making sure you have a good circulation around your hip joints and your shoulders. One more time. Relax your hands by the side. Then return to the hips. This time, rotate inward. Repeat 6 times in total. One more time. Bring your foot down. Then repeat the same on the other side. Paying attention to the muscles and tendons around and underneath your hip joints. One more time. Very good. Relax your entire body, especially around your hips and the lower back. We return back to shoulders. Turn your torso to the back, then slowly bring your hand back down. One more time to the back. Relax fully. Then do the same on the other side. Begin to pay attention to all the sensations inside your body, especially around your neck and shoulders. One more time. Relax both hands by the side. Take a moment to notice how you feel. From here, go into the Spinal Wave. This is one of my favorite exercises. It's very nourishing, very restorative, and can be done any time of the day. Keep your feet firm on the ground, starting the momentum from your feet. Imagine as if you're sending a big wave through your entire body. Feel your spine being supple. Feel the comfort and fluidity through every joint in your body. Move slowly and mindfully. Let all the muscles relax, your joints to open, letting the blood and energy travel freely throughout your body. Slow down the movement and come back to center. Relax your whole body and take a moment to notice how you feel. Then bring your feet together. Next, we're going to do an exercise called Swimming Dragon. Bring your hands to a prayer position. Keep your feet together and your knees close. Slowly begin to move your hips and shoulders in opposite directions. Your hands are moving forward, fingers pointing toward me. Paying attention to the movement in your hip joints and your shoulders. Be kind to yourself without overstretching. Simply enjoy the movement. Paying attention to how your spine is moving. Paying attention to all the joints in your body. Then slowly begin to stand up, reaching upwards. Come up on your toes, stretching your entire body. Then release gently, relaxing from head to toe. Take a moment to rest here. Then to ease off the lower back, go ahead and pull your knee towards the chest, stretching the back of your leg. Same on the other side. Pull it closer towards the chest. Feel a good stretch down the back of your leg. Relax here. Then to decompress the spine, go ahead and stretch upwards. Relax. And of course, forward stretch without forcing or straining anything. Just comfortably let yourself open up. Then bend your knees and stand up. Very good. Shake off your legs to the side, rub your hands together. We're almost done. Go ahead and gently bounce into your heels to make sure you feel relaxed, you feel loose and comfortable in your body. One more time. Take a moment to notice how you feel, especially around your neck and shoulders, around your lower back and the hip area. Feel your muscles relaxed, feel your joint open. Feel the energy awake and circulating throughout your entire body. Bring your feet together and finish your practice. Thank you. I wish you a great day and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you would like to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button on the screen to make sure you don't miss any future videos or live streams. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep well, and I'll see you soon.